If you're looking to conquer the wild with your Toyota Tundra, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of leveling kits, and we're about to reveal the ultimate Tundra leveling kit that'll elevate your ride to new heights. Get ready for a smoother, meaner, and more stylish Tundra. The link to our top pick is waiting for you in the description box below. Now let's get started. DYNOFIT Tundra Leveling Kit. Turn your Tundra into a powerhouse with the DYNOFIT Tundra Leveling Kit. Designed for 2007 to 2021 Tundra 4x2 and 4x4 models, excluding Rock Warrior and limited models with electronic front struts. This 2-inch front suspension strut spacer kit provides safety, style, and added room for your tires. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and solid bolts, it's a safe and stylish choice. The easy installation ensures that your Tundra maintains its factory ride quality while looking more aggressive and ready to conquer any terrain. KSP Performance Tundra Leveling Kit. Experience next-level performance with the KSP Performance Tundra Leveling Kit. Ideal for 2007 to 2021 Tundra 2WD and 4WD, excluding Rock Warrior Edition. This kit lifts your truck by a substantial 3 inches for an aggressive appearance. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum billet, it offers durability and corrosion resistance. The unique cross-gusset plate lock design in the rear lift block ensures maximum support. Longer lead springs U-bolts provide better stability. KSP backs this kit with a 2-year warranty, promising a worry-free and stylish enhancement for your Tundra. KAX Tundra Leveling Kit. Unleash the potential of your Tundra with the KAX Tundra Leveling Kit, specifically designed for 2007 to 2020 Tundra 2WD and 4WD. This kit delivers an aggressive leveled look. It prevents tire rubbing, allowing for the fitment of larger rims and tires. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and treated with a powder-coated black finish, it offers rust and corrosion resistance to tackle harsh environments. Elevate your Tundra style and performance with this meticulously engineered kit. Please note, the lift height and kit thickness ratio isn't 1.1 due to suspension geometry. ZY Wheel Tundra Leveling Kit. Elevate your Toyota Tundra or Sequoia with the ZY Wheel Tundra Leveling Kit. This front leveling lift kit adds a bold 3 inches to your vehicle's stance, offering a fierce, aggressive look. Crafted for 2007 to 2021 Tundra and Sequoia 2WD by 4WD models, provides extra fender clearance, ideal for accommodating larger wheels and tires. With an easy installation process that doesn't require disassembling struts or coils, you'll be back on the road in no time. Enhance both the style and functionality of your truck with this durable kit. Rough Country Tundra Leveling Kit. Upgrade your Tundra with the Rough Country Tundra Leveling Kit. Tailored for 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra, this 2.5 and 3-inch lift kit offers unmatched ground clearance for conquering both on- and off-road challenges. Your Tundra maintains its smooth, OEM-like ride, while the kit levels the front with the rear. This kit comes with upper strut extensions, differential mounting spacers, and skid plate spacers for a comprehensive upgrade. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, this kit combines performance, protection, and style for your Tundra. Revamp your Tundra's performance and style today with our top leveling kit pick. Hit that link in the description and let's take your off-road adventures to the next level.